fix YouTube error code 15 on your PC. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix YouTube error code. This error code can be caused by VPNs, ad blockers, browser extensions, or corrupted cache and cookies. The first thing you want to do is, if you're using a VPN on your computer or browser, turn it off, as VPN traffic can trigger security blocks on YouTube. Next thing you want to do is turn off ad blockers and extensions. Open Chrome or your preferred browser. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, select Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. Here you want to disable any ad blockers, privacy security extensions, suspicious plugins. Try opening YouTube again. Next thing you want to do is clear YouTube cache and cookies. For that, go to youtube.com, click on the lock icon to the left side of the website address. Here select Settings, look for Usage, then select Delete Data. Confirm to delete all cookies and cache for YouTube. Now you want to close the browser completely, then restart your computer or device, reopen Chrome, visit youtube.com and log back in. After completing all of these steps, the error code 15 issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.